Hey guys, Neil here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna repair an iPhone 10. I believe this is a motherboard issue. So we're gonna try to check and replace the motherboard. For those who wants to repair their iPhone, as you can see guys, it's easy to replace, but we have to be careful removing those flecks. And there's a lot of terminal in it, as you can see. So now all we have to do is just remove this old motherboard and fix the new one and then put it back all together. So that sounds very simple and easy task. By the way guys, before I decided to replace the motherboard of this iPhone X, I actually tried to flash an iOS via iTunes and via third-party software, but seems the nano flash is already faulty. As you can see here, this nano flash need to be repaired, but since we don't have the special tools for repairing a hardware, so I decided to buy a new motherboard. I believe this is a Recon, but they're really in good condition. So we're gonna try to fix this motherboard and let's see. We're gonna compare to the original one and hopefully this will work. Take note guys, if you're replacing an iPhone X motherboard, each motherboard has a specific Face ID hardware, or it comes with a camera. So if you're going to replace the motherboard, you should also buy the Face ID in order for it to work. We're done fixing it. We're gonna try to switch on. And yeah, it really works. So we're gonna test the functionality, the touch. It's smooth, and the camera, it's working. Front facing camera also working, and the back camera is also working. So that's all for the video guys. See you in the next one.